I'm Dr. Nash, and I'm really glad to be here today. And one of the things that has been asked several times is how do you keep people motivated in an online course, especially if it's an asynchronous course? Uh, and that's a really interesting question because usually the way that people are motivated there are two different obvious areas, extrinsic and intrinsic motivation. So the extrinsic would be things like grades and money, etc. And intrinsic would be something that you do out of the actual derivation of joy and pleasure in doing things. And so in the case of an asynchronous online course, it's really important to build in both. One would be have clear deadlines and lots of engagement in terms of meaningful interaction from the professor and the the interface itself, or the learning management system itself, the course design, with, for example, things like test your knowledge, did you know? But then another really, really important motivator is interaction with classmates. So we have the discussion board. Sometimes it has to do with collaborative projects. That can be motivating or demotivating depending on your perspective and your vantage point. Most of the time, the discussion boards are the most motivating when you share personal experiences or personal perspectives or personal or individual research, and not just the same answer that everybody else is going to have, or just a yes or no type of thing. So those are important things. And if you find yourself taking a course and you're thinking, oh my goodness, I am not motivated, or there's nothing about this course that's motivating me, sometimes you have to create your own motivations by creating your own calendar, reminders, timelines, your own rewards about what happens when you turn in something on time, and then also find topics as much as you can. Find within the assignments a way to kind of make them your own and enjoy them, so that you feel that your invested time is worthwhile. You're learning something, you're satisfying your curiosity, and you're enjoying the process. So those are just a few thoughts. So please share, and as you make sure that you like this video and subscribe.